Hey, Himanshu here from withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be learning about one of my favorite learning management system, Teachable. Teachable is a platform which lets you create your online courses and sell it through your website and your blogs. So creating an online course is one of the best ways to build your online business. That means you can share your knowledge and impact a lot of people. And while doing it, you can make a lot of money. So for example, you are passionate about singing or maybe mathematics or maybe coaching or maybe some creative crafts or maybe programming or fitness. No matter what passion you have, you can turn it into a profitable business while building an online course. Okay, and Teachable is a platform which helps you to do it. So in this video, you will be learning about the system, why I use it. For a long time, I was personally using Teachable. So why I use it, and is this a platform which is right for you or not? This is what you will be learning at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that. Press the bell icon so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. And before we start, type in the comments if you already have any idea of creating online course. So type yes or if you have any idea, or type no if you do not have any clue about creating an online course and still you are interested. Okay, now Teachable is a course hosting platforms. Okay, so that means there are a lot of people who are really successful in selling online courses. They are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month by selling their digital courses, and Teachable is one of the most successful platforms which is helping creators in doing it. So there are niche experts, there are YouTubers, authors, and a lot of businesses who use Teachable. Okay, now let's talk one by one about the features which Teachable give and the pricing, and then we will talk about some pros and cons of Teachable so that you can really understand that if this is a platform which is good for you or not. Okay, so first example, let's talk about the examples first. Okay, so this is one of the platform, VR Dev School. So this is a platform which is using Teachable for hosting their courses. Okay, so you can find some free courses over here and you can find some paid courses over here. So I do not know, I came to know about this store through Teachable website, and I can see there is only one paid course they are selling, right? So there are a lot of free software. So creating a free course is one of the really good ways to create your brand first. Okay, so once you are starting in online courses, the best thing you can actually do is to start with a free course. So if you are really interested to dive deeper into this process of building this online course business, make sure to check out my description and register for a free training where you will be learning about two types of offers you have to create when you are building an internet business, and it will help you to really understand this whole strategy. Okay, so now this is one of the example, VR Dev School. So they are in virtual reality space. Okay, now another example is this one, Find Your Job. Okay, so Find Your Job is this platform where, okay, so they are selling this course for $997, and this guy is really popular. Okay, guy or girl, I don't know. Okay, and you can see, okay, he is a boy. So this is a program, and you can see there are a lot of other experts. They are actually hosting course on Teachable for this platform, right? So at the end, you are creating the whole course platform on this platform. Okay, so that means you can create multiple courses, or if you are selling only one course, that is also fine. But at the end, you have to keep in mind that you have to be in niche. Okay, so you have to find out the right niche before you actually create your course. So there are a few points I didn't really like about Teachable. This is what I will be discussing, and that was the reason I couldn't really continue using this platform. But this should not stop you, because people like Pat Flynn, he's one of the most successful affiliate marketers in the world, and Melissa Griffin, I was following her for a long time, and she is really successful in selling her online courses, and she uses Teachable. So definitely Teachable is a great platform, and this is why you have to understand if this platform is for you or not, right? Of course, there are a lot of alternatives of Teachable. You can find platforms like Thinkific and Kajabi, and of course there are a lot of others, right? So first thing let's talk about is the feature. So first benefit of using Teachable is it helps you to create your course where you do not have to buy any other thing. That means you do not have to buy another video hosting platform, or you do not have to buy another hosting to host your courses, to keep your courses, right? So you can upload videos directly on Teachable, and you can do it unlimited. So Teachable provide unlimited space for it, and you can have unlimited number of students on Teachable. Okay, so when you are creating your online courses, you do not know how many people are getting enrolled, right? So this is why I really love Teachable, because you can have unlimited numbers of students. Why, right? Now next thing is course creator training. So Teachable teaches you how to create your course business. So this is one of the really great features. They have this Teachable U system where you can enroll and you can learn this whole process, and you can really connect Teachable with your WordPress website, with your blogs directly, okay, and even with your email marketing system. One of the really great tool which I personally use for email marketing is GetResponse. You can check out my description if you are really interested in building this whole system. Okay, now GetResponse will help you to create your email marketing, and this is a little problem with Teachable, because I thought that Teachable should be giving some email system directly inside the platform, but it doesn't provide it. So you have to buy another email marketing system for doing it. Okay, so this is one of the things which is the cons, I can say. One of the con I really found out about Teachable, but at the same time, the learning in Teachable and the scalable features really make it a good platform. Now next thing is which is really good about Teachable is it provides you integrated affiliate program. So while you are creating your online courses, you can tell your students to become your affiliate and sell your courses. Okay, so this is another really good thing about Teachable. And next thing is instant payout. So you do not have to wait for 1 week or 1 month. You can once the student gets enrolled into your program, you can instantly get paid in your account. So this is a really good feature, right? So you do not have to wait for a long time. And next is you can customize your domain name. So you can buy a domain name from Namecheap or maybe from any other platform, and you can connect that domain name with your Teachable school. So this way you do not have to use something.teachable.com. So they also provide this free subdomain. So for example, one of my courses I created, that was a whole school. Okay, so one of the schools I created was Side Hustle Hub, and I was using Teachable to host platforms at that time. And you can find this URL over here, right? him.teachable.com. So this is what this is what you will be getting for free. Okay, and instead of it, you can also connect your custom domain name in Teachable. Okay, now the total pricing, let's talk about the pricing now. So it will cost you around $39 a month. So you have to pay $39 every month. It's a recurring payment you have to give, or you can get annual plans. Okay, so annual plans starts with $29 per month. And you have to pay that annually, and once you will switch to monthly, you have to pay for $39. So you will be saving $10 for your annual plans. So it's really good. And if you want to go for further plan, for example, they provide a professional plan where you do not have to pay for transaction. So in basic plan, you actually have to give 5% transaction fees. This is again I really didn't like about Teachable. because I thought there should not be any transaction fees, right? Because we are already paying money to them, and again they are also asking for transaction fees. But again, this is most of the platform do it, okay? And Teachable is still cheaper. So yep, it's again the all about the choice. So 5% transaction fees you will have to pay on basic plan. On professional plans, you do not have to pay any transaction fees, right? So it's again good. And you will also have unbranded website, so you will not find any Teachable branding on your website, on your course platform, once you will switch to professional plan. Okay, now some of the really successful people, for example Platflins, they actually found out a good niche and they created online courses on it. So once you are getting into creating online course, I want you to start with finding out a niche. So what niche you have to pick, and what kind of angle you can give it to other people, so that they can really get interested in it and they can actually buy your course. That you have to find out, and this is what I have discussed a lot in detail in my free course. You should check out. Okay, the link is already in the description. And yeah, so this is the thing. And one of the cons I must discuss is their super slow support. Okay, so I really didn't like the way they connect with their customers. Sometimes it will take 1 to 2 days to connect with them. So this is why I switched to another platform. It is Podia. And in Podia, everything is cool, everything is fine, just very similar to Teachable. But at the same time, the support system was really good at Podia. So if you are passionate about Teachable, if you are already using Teachable, or you find out comfortable, the pricing is comfortable for you, make sure to check out Teachable. Okay, there is a link below, register for it, and let me know in the comment box if you want to use it, or what thing you want to learn more about. I will love to create more videos on this topic. And thank you so much for watching till this point. And yep, another alternative is Podia. You can check that out. Of course, there is a link below in the description. And on Podia, the pricing is very similar to Teachable, but at the same time the support system is good. You can directly connect with them through chat. So Teachable is a bigger platform, right? It's a kind of very old and established platform, and you will find a huge fan following and huge community. So this is the reason where you do not have to be stuck at somewhere when you will be using Teachable, right? Because you will be finding people who will be ready to help you at every stage, and which is definitely really a good point. And another, again, I will highly recommend you to use online courses. This is right now is the information age, and when you are if you can use your information, if you can use your knowledge to help other people, you can really create a very good business. Okay, so I hope you would have liked this video. Let me know in the comment box what else you want to learn, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you soon.